Hi guys, it's Shakeita, your one-stop shop for all your real estate needs. Today I am back with home buyer tip number 10. Can you guys believe it has been 10 days that you guys have been getting tips from me? Okay, that is huge. Just being consistent and showing up every day. We got 20 more days. I'm gonna keep these tips coming. If it's anything that you want to know about, a tip that you would like me to cover, make sure that you comment on any of my posts. I love to continue to give you guys more tips, or you can inbox me and I check my message too. But comment would probably be better because I see that one sooner. So homebuyer tip number 10. Let's talk about credit again. This one isn't know your credit. This one is maintaining good credit. This is so important. So let's just give you an example. You get your credit pulled today. Typically, credit reports are good for 90 to 120 days. So some mortgage lenders, they will allow you to purchase a home as long as your credit is not expired on closing day. But some lenders, they actually want your credit to have at least 30 more days before it expires. So let's just say it is July 1st. So August, September, October, that's 4 months. So some lenders, as long as you close before October 1st, they might say, hey, you're good. But some might say, hey, it's September. Now, depending on what type of home you're looking for, depending on if you already have the money saved for your down payment, depending on when you will get your first, second, or third paycheck stub, you may not be able to purchase within 90 days. Now, I have to honestly say, the clients that I get pre-approved, normally they buy within 120 days and we don't have to re-pull credit. However, that may not be the case for you. So I say all of that to say, once you get your credit pulled, if you get a notification that, a collection account, you owe it, an account is going to go to collections, go ahead and pay the collections. Do not ignore any debts, because if those debts or those collections end up on your credit report, that can cause you to lose approval for your home financing. So even though you're pre-approved, you found a house 60 days in, but you can't move into the house until 60 days later, it's case by case. Some people moving their home in 30 days, 3 weeks. I've literally closed a deal yesterday that we was able to get done in 10 days. But because you don't know your situation, just make sure that you're maintaining good credit anyway. And I just believe when you be a good steward and take care of whatever God has given you, and for example, he's allowed us to be able to have credit so that we can apply for the material things that we need in this world. You want to be able to take care of your credit. He allowed us to be able to be in a position, Juneteenth is coming, where we're not slaves anymore. It was less than 100 years ago that we could even purchase homes. So I really need you guys to take care of your credit. Make sure that you're maintaining good credit. And do not ignore any accounts, debts, or financial obligations. All right, you guys have a good one. Thanks for joining me. If you're looking to buy or sell, I would love to earn your business, refinance, or cash out refinance. I can assist you with mortgages as well. I can easily be reached at 843-617-3790. Bye-bye.